In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best leather app discount promo codes in 2024. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser right here and you'll have to search for leather app discount promo code. Right here, go to this website, which is called Return Me Not. And as you can see, we have a list with some promo codes that we can use in order to get the discount. So for example, if you want to get this one with 15% of hot leathers gear, all you need to do is select show codes from right here. And this is the promo code that you can copy from right here. And you can apply this promo code on your next purchase in order to get this 15% discount. Also, going back to our main search right here, we have this website which is called witrif.com. And as you can see right here, we also have some promo codes that we can use to get some discounts. For example, if you want to get this one with 15% of discount, all you need to do right here is select copy code, and the discount code will pop up right here. You can copy the promo code from right here. And if you apply this promo code on your next purchase, you will be able to get that 15% discount. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.